Huh?
You move sides, you can fit.
Got another.
Got another bite. What is that? Oh my god. What is that? Got him.
Oh my god,
they are
bro.
fighting. Oh.
Brad, that ain't no bluegill.
That's a bass. I know.
Grab the line and pull him in. Damn. That's a nice
let's
one.
go.
That might be a PB.
That ain't my PB.
Bro, that gotta be, bro.
Man, that's a big one. He my PB, but he on the list.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that boy. They are in here.
Damn. It's nice little bucket fish. That might be the one that jumped out on me.
He a big boy.
I lost the fucking jerkbait on his ass.
So y'all, yep, we got the content rolling, and then we got the big end in our hand.
Nobody fishes here, is he?
How much you think he is? You want to weigh him? Let's get this bad boy back. He's ready to go.
Send
He's
up
a
my
feisty
fucking
boy.
scale worker.
Let's get him back. Time to fish.
Throw it, hurry.